Our next story involves an insurance company that is refusing to renew malpractice insurance for a high profile whistleblower lawyer. What is this story?
Yeah, so I'll first preface that this isn't my most favorite whistleblower attorney. In fact, I've tangled with this person before, and last week called this individual out because they're frequently deciding who is and is not a whistleblower and doing what intelligence agency officials tend to do in finding ways to disqualify people. And they don't think Edward Snowden is an NSA whistleblower. That said, this is a very important issue. And so the ABA Journal reported that the Hanover Insurance Group refused to renew malpractice coverage for Mark Zaid, who is a whistleblower attorney in DC. He represented the CIA employee who complained against Donald Trump about U.S. policy toward Ukraine. The contents of the calls between Trump and Zelensky, who's the Ukraine president, those were revealed. And then this led to impeachment in the House. So obviously, he played a crucial role in representing this figure, and politically speaking, that had a huge impact. And Hanover apparently said they no longer have a, quote, appetite for his, and they, as again, this is another quote of theirs, high profile work. They described it as high profile work. And the company was asked to reconsider by Zaid, and then the company refused. So Hanover claims that they had no idea that Mark Zaid was representing whistleblowers, which is laughable. And so he says, they knew he represented them back in 2019 when he applied for the coverage. Apparently, this is the company he's only had since 2019. Of course, the company is maintaining that this is not related to the impeachment proceedings that unfolded, but national security counselors points out that Hanover has gone out of its way to tell potential clients that they'll insure lawyers who defend people accused of retaliation. So that could be employers, it could be management, people in management positions, but they apparently have no appetite for those who face retaliation. So what this is very revealing about an aspect of the world of insurance. These lawyers have to have that so that they can protect themselves from malpractice lawsuits. And, obviously, we've seen in the last 5 to 10 years an uptick in the ways that you'll see individuals try to abuse defamation laws, or even, any ways that they can come after and engage in retaliatory lawsuits so that they can undermine the ability of someone to do the work that they do representing people. And, as much as I disagree with Mark and the way that he is limiting who is and is not a whistleblower, I can't really argue he represents people who come from federal agencies, who have gone through channels, who don't deserve retaliation, and he protects them as they try to navigate the processes of whistleblower protections, as meager as those might be. And I don't think this is a good development that an insurance company is not willing to insure Mark Zaid because he might represent high-profile whistleblowers.